looking like?
Because every time I want to get it on, I'm hitting this oil line. Oh, my kneecap. Yeah, why not?
At least this one. I know they make better design ones.
For being a Chinese turbo, it's fine. We gotta time this out perfect. Okay, bolt.
Wait, I'm not. Pull!
Bolt.
Pull.
Bolt. Bolt.
It's working.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on.
You know, it'd be really nice if this kit had instructions.
Yeah.
It would be.
Exhaust. Turbo cheap China. Regrets everything.
This thing burning oil.
How much?
I'm gonna need that quart. Oops, sorry.
Excuse me.
A quart? Yeah. Excuse me, Mr. Camera. Volkswagen. Can't say the same. Okay, we're gonna have to lift it over the transmission.
Really? How much?
Yeah.
Hi, can I give you the large pepperoni pizza?
I'm going to crumb it.
Wow. Getting out of the way here.
So,
Hi, can I order pizza? Is there a problem?
Jack, you want to move the camera to somewhere over there so it's a better angle? I mean...
POV, I'm a dad getting milk. Do you not have a clutch alignment tool?
Nope.
His clutch alignment tool is the extender in his eyes.
Oh,
Hey,
I did it for the focus.
really?
That is true.
Okay, boys.
He does actually. And then he has a ZX.
Yeah.
But
I need some bolts.
Yup.
I need some bolts.
Jeez, look at this thing go.
And then we gotta rotate the shaft.
Oh,
hit the impact.
Lift up a little more. Lift up.
I don't think it's fully...
I'm lifting the whole engine.
I don't think it's fully stabbed. Let me get the hammer.
Stab it.
Yeah, it's kind of.
It's not working.
Might need a little side to side wiggle.
Why is it not working?
We need to like rotate this shaft.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. It's probably not lining up.
Jack,
with
stick the drive shaft in the end of this hole. Huh? Did you zoom the camera in? Now spin it. Back and forth. Just wiggle. There it is.
Much work.
Oh my god, I remember that. Oh my god.
No.
No.
Repositioning.
Free position.
Mama joke. that guy.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, you believe in it?
Yeah, I can out.
Going to get some pizza, boys.
Oh, it's nice outside. I just want to play outside.
What do you do outside?
I play outside. I play with my cup.
And he plays kickball by himself.
Just kick the ball.
They get no
Inside the house. Who wants to help me carry the engine?
Jack, you want to help me carry the engine?
What?
Oh no, Jim will help me.
Come on, boys! Bumping over here!
Come on, boys.
300 pounds of engine.
300 pounds of engine.
We'll call it that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got the engine in, and that's all the time we have for today. So in the next video, we're gonna hook up the engine and turn the key and start it.
Yes.
Yep.
Got it?
Because they don't have oil lines or
We don't have oil in the
Yeah.
trans. We don't have trans in the oil. We don't have
Okay.
engine
We have
in the
trans in the
gas.
oil.
So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, leave a comment, likes up, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys
In the next video.
in the next video.